Now,
yeah. So
okay.
what made you come into television first, like the television debut first? So tell us something about it.
Well, it's been 5 years that I have been planning to do something on television, like most actors. But I really didn't want to follow the norm and do, the predictable music and dance reality judging, which is also a lot of fun to see. But I wanted to do something different. And I think this is right up my alley. This is my home turf, horror. And it's a genre which needs encouragement. And the kind of sync that AMTV people and I had was perfect, because it is definitely one of those shows that you have not seen on television before. So it was perfect for me. I was like,
kind of myth that we get it out of this round.
Yes.
People do say that television is money making machine at times. So
yes,
we
why
agree.
not? Why, if we are providing entertainment to such a huge viewer base, finally every business has to be money making. If it's not profitable, then it's not going to work for any one of us. So making money is not a bad thing. You should make money, I should make money, television should make money, and the viewers should make money. So yes, everyone should make money and be prosperous. And Diwali is coming, so yeah, make more money. So I don't think it's a bad thing. It's just that you're getting entertainment, and it's got a very modern and contemporary take on horror. It's not predictable. It's not something that you've seen. The style of shooting, the directors who have been roped in to make these short films, everything is very new age. So it's definitely the way television is, Indian television, the way, it's expanding, and the kind of content we are showing. We are actually moving away from the typical to Indian television. So it's, for me it was very exciting.
So my second last question. To you,
Next question.
He's asking all the questions for everyone. Okay.
Have you seen the promo for Hey Story 3? Because it's been out.
Well, it's, Vishal has been a part of my life from my second film, that's Raz, and Karan's really dear to me. I really wish this film huge success and stupendous opening.
तो करण की बॉन्डिंग आपको किसके साथ अच्छी लगी? देसी के साथ या
आज डर के बारे में बात करें?
अच्छा.
Guys, we're here to talk about that.
Yeah.
So is Karan is inspiration to get into television?
TV is a very big medium for every actor, from Shah Rukh Khan to Amitabh Bachchan to just name it. Everybody is on television in today's time. Salman Khan. So yes, why should the heroines lag behind? Everyone should be doing their bit. Like I said, I don't like, to follow the norm, the typical way of doing things. I've never done it. I like to be a little unpredictable. But the only predictability in my case has been that I'm still supporting and encouraging a genre which has been, it's not got its due respect still. It's a genre which is still very experimental, but very exciting. So I'm supporting what I'm good at.
Hi Bibasha, Alok here.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. आप कैसे हैं?
First class.
अभी आपकी जो कंपटीशन होगा वो सास बहुओं से भी होगा. एक तरफ सलमान भी होंगे. तो इस कंपटीशन को किस तरीके से देखती हैं, क्योंकि टीआरपी गेम होता है छोटे चैनल्स पे?
जी आई थिंक कंटेंट इज किंग. हमें हमारा स्लॉट 10 बजे का है, शनिवार रविवार, एंड आई थिंक दे विल हैव अ गुड डोज ऑफ ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट on Saturdays and Sundays, and we are coming with something which is very new, which is exciting, thrilling, and these are short films. So it's not that there's going to be any continuation. So you're going to enjoy Saturday, then you're going to enjoy Sunday. So there's not like you have to, even if you miss, you can catch the repeats, but एक flow हम तोड़ नहीं रहे हैं. So I feel the way we have programmed, and worked on this series, it's going to be exciting, because these are, new attempts to change Indian television. So, you can have variety. You can just choose what you like to see. So nobody's saying this is bad or this is bad. When you have variety, that's when you have a choice as a viewer to choose what you want to see.
And कौन से सीरियल इन जनरल आप देखती हैं टीवी पे जो आपको काफी पसंद है?
मैं देखती तो बहुत कुछ हूँ, but it's a mix of TV series I like a lot. In Indian TV, reality shows भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. The Voice that they had on Ant TV was it's stupendous because you're promoting music and talent. So I see a lot of shows, but today I would like to push my show. Yeah.
Amit from
Yeah. Sorry. Coming back. Yeah.
अच्छा भाषा मतलब इन दिनों लोग देख रहे हैं कि ढेर सारे मतलब फिल्मी एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस दोनों छोटे पर्दे की ओर काफी आए। प्रियंका पांडे को होमलैंड किया था, तो मतलब अमेरिकन टीवी शोज
Yes.
उनके ऑफर वो आप करना चाहिए।
ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी. I think it's content at the end of the day. मैं एक also I think I'm taking the step of starting and playing a part in webisodes also. The whole concept that I'm doing, another show that I'm doing, the clients, is that. So you want to push boundaries, you want to reach out more people, you are experimenting as an actor because फिल्म सिर्फ 2 घंटे 20 मिनट की होती है, उसमें बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. इट्स एक्साइटिंग, बट टू प्ले अ रोल ओवर एन आर्क ऑफ लाइक मे बी 3 seasons, 12 episodes each, it's very exciting for an actor. क्योंकि फिल्में तो मैंने की है बहुत और करती भी रहूँगी, बट इट्स गुड टू ट्राई एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट द सिमिलर रोल ऑफ एक्टिंग इन डिफरेंट मीडियम्स.
और भाषा इन दिनों मतलब ये भी देख रहे हैं कि ढेर सारी हॉरर फिल्में आई हैं,
क्रीचर को तो मैं हॉरर अभी भी नहीं मानती हूँ. क्रीचर फीचर या ओके,
लेकिन वो चली नहीं होती
जी.
तो क्या हम माने कि अब जो मतलब टिपिकल हॉरर फिल्म
जी.
का इंडिया में एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ चुका है?
नहीं जी, ऐसा मत मानिए. बेचारों को पहले तो चांस तो दीजिए. दैट फर्स्टली पीपल शुड मेक गुड फिल्म्स एंड क्रीचर वाज अ क्रीचर फीचर. यस, अलोन वाज it was more of a romantic drama with the horror genre. Some films work, some films don't work. कॉमेडी भी बहुत सारी नहीं चलती हैं, बहुत चलती हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लोग बंद कर रहे हैं. some brainless films are also made. कभी चल जाती है, कभी नहीं चलती है. तो you can't really specify as such कि ये नहीं चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है. when people want to see it, they are going to see it.
राज एंड डीके शो से जुड़े हुए हैं.
Yes.
जॉम्बीज भी देखने को मिलेंगे शो.
अरे इस आपको सब देखने को मिलेगा. सुपर नेचुरल, पैरानॉर्मल, लाइक आई सेड, अनसीन, अनसेड, घोस्ट, स्पिरिट्स, स्पूकी, एवरीथिंग इन द शो.
बिपाशा को डर किससे लगता है?
मुझे सबसे, ये जितने नाम ले लिए ना मैंने, मुझे लगता है. सो लाइक आई वाज,
इस चीज़ को फील किया अपनी लाइफ में?
देखिए, it's a very tricky question when people ask me, do you believe in this or you don't you? See, nothing that you really completely, if I disbelieved, I don't think I would able to project it. पर अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि क्या मैं सच में इनमें विश्वास करती हूँ, and I get cynical about it and I start thinking, then I say, sometimes get practical. I say नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, it's all bullshit. But there are times that when I see something, I get scared. So इसका मतलब, there are things which you can't explain happen at times. So I don't have an answer to it that ये सब होता है, नहीं होता है. But अगर होता तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता. That's the truth.
शो में हम
बिपाशा,
लोग दिखा रहे हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना
Have you
कहीं
started?
Sorry.
Have you started shooting for your show?
Yes, I have.
And so tell us about your experience. As you said, you're scared of everything.
Yes.
So what do you have to tell you?
Well,
tell us about
I think the stories are the major attraction. They are fantastic stories, and very credible actors are playing important parts, and very interesting directors. The team of directors are very interesting, and the way they are shooting these films is very unique. My bit is being shot by Raj and DK, and it's their idea, it's their brainchild, and I think they have beautifully tried to integrate me into the stories. So it's very spooky. The little bits I've shot like a couple of episodes, and it's very, very spooky.
Thank you.
Thank you.